Here's something I learned in my 20s that made me a millionaire before I was 30. Being excited in business is a very bad thing. Let me give you an example of what I mean about being too excited. Hey Monica, I'm really glad you took the time to have this call. I looked at your website. I think our product is going to be an amazing fit for you. I am so excited to talk about this. When you sound like that, you sound greedy, you sound like you don't care. You sound like all you want is a commission or a sale. Can you imagine if a doctor walked into your room and sounded like that? You'd think they were on something, and the last thing you'd want them to do is operate on you. You need to sound like you're certain, but you're just not sure it's the right fit for them yet, and you've got to ask them a few more questions. Slow down, be less excited, be more professional, and you're going to make 10 times more money. I promise you. My name is Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.